Next we have, are you ready? Yeah, secure I/O.
Right. Can you hear me? Is that all right? Okay, so we are Securio or Secure IO or whatever, I haven't decided. This was a name that was decided about 5 in the morning. To overly simplify what we've built, if you imagine you're a company, you've got 2 rooms and you've got 3 televisions. Originally in our demo, we did have televisions, but we're using the screens and pretending they're televisions in different rooms for now. The basic idea is you can tell which employee is watching which television at any given time, with the long-term endpoint. Perhaps you can invoice them for every minute they sat in front of the telly if it's a pay-per-view, or if someone's doing or if someone's doing something they shouldn't be, you get an alert about that. Webcam demo, off we go. Working? I can't see what's going on that screen. So on this laptop over here we have. It'll be very, very, very small, so apologies to everyone at the back. Believe us, there is something on this screen. So there is a webcam here. So you have just entered one of the rooms. No one is expected to be in that room at the moment, so the server thinks there shouldn't be anyone in there. So you have annoyed C3PO, and C3PO has taken a photograph of you because you are in a room you shouldn't be in. If you are an employee, you would have the app that we're going to demo in a second installed on your phone. It would know you'd walked into the room, you're an employee, so you're a non-employee. In theory, let's see if this actually works now. Swap tabs. Oh, I'm getting texts. So worst case, like a text demo. RGB channel. Right. So as the head of security, I've just received a text saying that someone is in room 5. Check the printer for a photograph. So in approximately 20 seconds, a photograph of yourselves who've just broken into our room will be printed out of this thermal printer. What's actually going on here is the photograph's being relayed to the laptop. It's doing some image processing. It's then sending it over a REST API to the Raspberry Pi. It takes a very, very long time because the Raspberry Pi has like no CPU in it. It doesn't really like images, but there is a photograph of you sat here who has just broken into our room.
Yeah.
Right. If we roll back in time a little bit though, and say you are an employee, so you do have this app installed. When you walk into the room, you would automatically authenticate with the room. Let's have a look. Are we authenticating? Yes. So he has just received a Yo, because implementing Yo goes for a t-shirt, so we have Yo. That says that he has logged into, he's authenticated in this room. It says somewhere on here, he's in room 10, apparently. Which one's we'll go to the other one. So he is now moving from one television to another television in a different room. On there, it'll dump in console that he is currently watching porn. If you look, he's about 1 meter away from a TV showing porn. And on your printer, your head of security, you've received an alert saying Sam is watching porn, he's in room 5. What else do we do?
The other one.
And then, so he's now moved into a different room, so he'll receive another Yo to say you're now in room 10. Essentially,